Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to fix Instagram story white skin problem. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you do not make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Now go to your Instagram apps. This is the problem. Let's solve it. First of all, you go to setting and find here apps. Tap on this and search here Instagram. Tap on this icon, scroll down here, you can see that storage. Tap on this, you can see that clear data and clear cache. Tap on clear cache. Go back to your home screen. Now go to your Play Store application. Search here Instagram. Your Instagram apps is already last version and update. Okay, next step, scroll down here. Tap on Instagram app. Scroll down here. You can see that app support. Tap on this icon. And you can see that email. Tap on email. Now describe here Instagram story white skin problem. And next tap on send button. And next, after that, go to your home screen. Then simply reset your device. Tap on your phone power icon. Tap on reset, restart. After restart your phone, your problem is successfully solved successfully. If we found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel.